I'm Roberts, that's my bike. This is Harley Davidson Breakout 17.
My name's Chris. I've ridden up from Stoke Hammond, little village near Leighton Buzzard.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Daysak. Today I find myself in some roaring engines, leather jackets and some seriously beautiful bikes. We are in Daventry Bike Festival. Stay with me.
That's my bike. This is Harley Davidson Breakout 117 Screaming Eagle Stage 2, which means I've got a sharp camshaft which gives me more torque. Yeah? I've got a huge torque. It does like 3 seconds to 60. It's 1.9 engine, 117 inches, so which is fucking powerful, mate. Yeah. That's I can't tell you exactly, but it's over 20 bikes in my life. Wow. I ride since I can't remember. Wow. I was very small. I was riding the bicycles and the little mopeds, you know, things like, I can't even remember when did it started, really. Well, what else I can tell you about it?
How much is this Harley Davidson?
I mean the money?
Yeah.
About 25 grand plain.
And then the add-ons.
Yes, that's another 10 grand on the top of it.
Wow. How do you feel riding? If somebody says to you, how do you feel when you ride? What would you tell the person?
Special. Special, well, they say you can freedom and all this kind of shit. Huh? I don't know, I have to say this is different than car, you know. I don't drive cars too often, sometimes to work, you know, vans and stuff. If I can skip it, I just ride my bike, yeah? Just the motorbikes, yeah.
Yeah, hang on. Right, go again. You ready? On this young lady. You ready?
I got stretched when I was little.
Come on,
the truth is, Cannonball took out this leg.
Okay.
I fell over the port side.
No way!
And while I was trying to get out of the ride, a shark got this leg. And when I pulled myself back onto the ship, 2 bloody stumps. I sent the ship's captain, carpenter. Why don't you just give me some nice long legs? I'll have a much better view of the wenches. Have a lovely one, folks.
Ah, thank you.
Hello, my name's Chris. I've ridden up from Stoke Hammond, little village near Leighton Buzzard, to Daventry on this 1948 M33 BSA. I've had this motorbike over 30 years and a bit scruffy, but it's clocked up a lot of miles and I really like it. It's one of those bikes I never sell on. Like my BSA, it's got 3 BSAs at home and I've come with my mate Jason today. He's on his Honda.
What does riding mean to you?
Well, you don't have to find a parking space.
I like that. I like that. I like your outfits.
Well, thanks.
It is classic.
Yes, it's usually the oldest one. I did try and get an older BSA recently, but turned out to be a scam on eBay, so be careful out there. Don't spend money unless you look at these bikes first. This is an M33. In about 39, they did a bike called the M20, and they sold 167,000 to the army for World War II. So the British Army had similar bikes, but they were a side valve engine. After the war, BSA put this overhead valve engine in. They called it the M33, but it's a practical bike. So you've got this stand here for pulling it on if you want to get the wheel out. There's 3 bolts here. So you can take this back wheel out here without disturbing the chain or the sprockets.
And then take the tie out.
This, if you undo this little nut here, this doubles up as a front stand, so you can take the front wheel out of the whole bike, so you can repair both punctures without any dramas. It's a practical bike. Your tools are kept in here, little box here.
Oh wow, is it heavy?
The bike?
Yeah.
No, it's not too much. I can pick it up, look.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all right. No big deal. So it's a very practical bike. So the British Army had these, you see, throughout the wars. They could repair them in the field. They could carry all the tools they needed to give it a complete going over, you know, so they were never stuck.
BSA 370.
BSA, Birmingham Small Arms, not British Small Arms.
Birmingham Small Arms.
Yeah, made in Birmingham, of course. Like many bikes were from that time. There's not no fun 2 people on here, though they did in the war. And on here you got these holes here. This is where you put a sidecar on the bike. These big lugs on the frame here. You got 4. There's 2 around the other side. So that's where your sidecar bolts on.
Wow. Oh, so then it comes that way to carry an extra passenger. Wow, thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate that. eating?
Salami, Romanian one.
Romanian salad.
Salami.
Salami
Yeah.
from Romania.
Yeah. That's the same mustard from Romania.
Ah, nice.
And the spicy one.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you have all this packed in your bike?
Yeah.
Nice. How long have you been riding?
1 year and a half.
Oh, fairly fresh. What bike do you own?
From when I was a kid. That one is mine. The hairy one.
The hairy one. Nice. What does riding mean to you?
Freedom of everything.
Nice. Hello, sir.
My name's Steve. I'm here today. I've been dragged here by my work colleagues. Yeah, it's the first time I've been here. And it's not bad. It's chaos, but it's not bad.
Is it? How long have you been riding?
Since I was 17, so nearly 30 years.
Wow. What bike do you own?
GSXR 1000
It's that massive bike.
sports bike. But there's more.
Is it? Fast.
No, I've got a BMW. Yeah, I've got an old Triumph. Too many.
Well, how many bikes do you have?
There's about 7 at the moment.
7.
Yeah, I want more.
You got more? How much does
more.
each one cost then?
Cheapest about 5. Most expensive 48.
That's a full Mercedes, new Mercedes. Why not?
Yeah.
What does it mean to you to ride?
You work so hard during the year and you get days like this, odd days, maybe 7 a year because of the British weather. So you take full advantage of whenever you can get a time off. And yeah.
Does it get scary on the roads?
Not really, no. If you want to get scary, then you take a track day or something like that.
What is a track day for some of us who don't?
So in the UK, you've got loads of racetracks.
Okay.
And you can go with like a group or on your own and basically just go as fast as you want to with no traffic coming at you. Yeah.
How fast have you ever? No, don't tip. Ah, come on. right, so real talk. I came here with no biking experience. I own no bike, but I'm living here with such a massive respect for the bike community. How are we?
How are you?
I'm good. Nice bike. What bike do you have here?
R6.
6.
R6.
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 Ah, sounds really good. Is it fast?
Oh yeah, sorry.
It's quick, you know. So it's a wrap from Daventry Motor Festival. If you enjoyed riding with me, no pun intended, smash the like button. Until then, happy exploring. Take care.